I started planting this year around mid-April. So those are the eggplants. Here I have sweet pepper, orange ones, and here I have the green and red ones. And around 10 days ago or 9 days ago, I planted some cucumbers, and they've been growing like really fast. They're like 10 times the size of the other stuff that I planted. And in each one of them, I've planted 3 seeds. I wasn't expecting them all to grow, and apparently they did. So what I'm gonna try to do is to separate them. And this is new to me. I know that some people either cut 2 of them or just 1 of them and leave 2 to plant, but I don't want to lose them. Those are like seeds that I cannot find every day. It's hard to find. Somebody gave them to me. So let's try that. And I'm gonna upload a video in a few weeks, see if they survived. I hope so. Each one of those has a 3 in it. So I got too many, and I hope I'm not gonna lose any. So I have 3 options. One of them is to cut 1 or 2. The other one is to take them out and try to separate them slowly. But my favorite method is this. I'm gonna put them in water, and this way I can see the roots and I can separate them. So let's do that. If one of the 3 survives, it's like I lost nothing. Just before I start, you can see some of the roots going out of the box. Trying to push it out. Look at the roots. So far, I'm not sure if they're all connected yet, but let's see. That was really easy. 1, 2, 3. Too easy. I'll just put them on the side for now. You know what? Let's put them here. One. And this one I have 2. This is the first time I tried this, and it's working great. So I definitely recommend this method. So this one is the, oh, I have 2 in this box. I'm not sure if you can see this one, just a small one. So maybe I'll just leave this one. We'll see. Or not. Just broke one. By the way, they smell great, just like cucumbers. Unlike the other stuff that I've planted from seeds, those grow really fast. Hopefully all of those will survive. So I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like 13 or 14 plants instead of having just 6, assuming all of them survive. Now I'm gonna get some pots and plant them. Just dig a hole. You can use a pan, a screwdriver, anything. I just have this and I like to use it. Put the first one in. Make sure the roots are covered. But then don't cover it too high. This is all set. So I'm gonna leave it for a few days in this pot and come back in 2 weeks and see if it survived, and then maybe in 2 weeks I'll move it to the ground. Now I have 14. I ended up using some pots and some dirt. I put 2 together. Now this is really big. They don't need all the space. Some cardboard. In this one I have to put 3. So this is the broken one, and this is the very small one. I don't have high hopes for those. This one should be okay. I'll be filming again in 2 weeks and see if they survived, and again in 2 weeks or 3 weeks time when I plant them in the soil. Thank you for watching, and come back in 2 weeks and let's see if those cucumbers survived. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.